Test natin itong GNG TR16 GMSI 2 MK1 lightweight polymer rifle. Ayan, ang ganda. So yung front assembly is polymer, same with the receiver, and then skeletonize yung niya, receiver niya. Ganda ng design. So dummy bullets. Then medyo may pagka-robotic yung itsura niya. And then sights, front and rear sight kasama na. Ayan, naka fiber optic sights pa pag nakatupi. Then charging handle. Ganda ng forma ng unit na to. So ambi yung selector and yung magazine catch. Okay guys, test natin. So nakuha na siya. Last piece. Check natin chrono. Auto. Good shit. Ganda. Yung magazine niya is mid-cap magazine. Ganda ng magazine. So guys, ayan, may siya, ETU. So naka-gate pala to. Ayan, TR16 GMSI MK1 lightweight polymer. Okay, so for details, PM kayo sa page natin. And guys, don't forget to check yung mga new arrivals natin na GNG, naka-sale yan. Sobrang good price yan. Sobrang good deal. Check nyo na lang, 6 na yan model. Thank you kay bossing.